Into 1331, I'm back in with another banger unboxing review. Today we've got Lord of the Rings, guys. 15 disc collection, guys. Extended editions, theatrical editions.
That's the more expensive one, you cunt.
I don't care, guys. And there's the backside, guys. There's some of the description. It also has the bilingual text. And there's all the movies, guys. You can see the back, guys. It even has digital copies, which are probably expired. I'm not sure, guys. You can try them. Let's just get out of the packaging, guys. Wow, guys, really cool. Wow, what the frick? Yo, guys. Immortals 3? Okay, guys, there's all 3 Blu-rays, guys. Should I get them out? Okay, guys. They almost look like 4Ks. There's the first one, guys. The Fellowship of the Rings, guys. The Ring 2. And there's 4 discs, which is 6 discs in 1, which is crazy, guys. There it is, guys. There's the back, guys. There's all the discs that are in them. Then the third one's probably the same. In case. There it is, guys. Really cool box set, guys. If you are a collector, I want you guys to buy this. Unless you want the 4Ks.
It's probably dead now. So
it's a dead right, mate.
It's probably $40 eBay set. $30 actually.
Really cool, guys. Turn of the King. I don't know which one's in which. 213, guys. Get 230. Da 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 da. And bye.